Hi, I'm Mark Como, one of the co-founders of the VFT. Let me show you what's inside. This is where adventure lives. Come on. As you enter our facility, we have 2 metal detectors. These are here to prevent any ammunition or live firearms in here. Once you get inside here, we have our lovely staff that will greet you at the reception center. We have 40,000 square feet of all kinds of fun. We have a long-range rifle simulator. We have a VIP lounge. And we have 17 range ports. We have a shotgun simulator, amongst other things. Let me show you around a little bit. We're here in the VIP lounge. This is where our very special members get to congregate and hang out with their friends. Let me tell you what we have in here. We have a fireplace. We have several big screen, flat screen TVs. We have a kitchenette with a espresso machine where you can enjoy your favorite cup of coffee. I'm going to take you around and show you the rest of the facility. So here we are at our range ports. This is where all the fun begins. You'll be greeted by one of our range officers who will assign you a range port and some equipment, some of your trainers. Thank you. Here we are at one of our range ports. They're 10 feet wide. They can accommodate up to 3 shooters. Here we have a lot of titles to choose from. That means loads of fun. What we do have is inner trainers. You could use these to select your titles, or we also offer some recoil weapons. We offer a lot here. We have the ability to offer you training classes for concealed carry. We have something for the beginner all the way up to the intermediate folks. The titles are very dynamic and some are very static. So you can have a lot of fun here. Let me see if we can show you that. What you do here is you pick how many shooters that we participate in. You pick the title that you want to have fun with. You start your program. Most of the software here offers the ability to zero your trainer. Let's take that opportunity. Be sure that we're shooting accurately today. So we're accurized. We're going to accept that. We're going to start our program. As you can see, just like being at the range. So here we have 17 range ports. Loads of fun going on in here. We could shoot 3 shooters in each port. I'm going to show you our shotgun port. It's a 21-foot curved screen. Here in this port, you're really drawn in because of the curved screen. We shoot shotgun here. We have competition shooting amongst all other kinds of titles. This is a fun spot for groups and maybe 4 or 5 people at a time. So this is our multi-use room. What we do here is have the ability to stage large events, private parties. We have 3 14-foot trainers in here. Loads of fun. This is Crosshair. This is our long-range rifle simulator. I absolutely love this space. We have several different kinds of trainers, a 14-foot screen. We can do just about everything here. This is the VFT, powered by LaserShot. Come visit us. For more information, contact us at thevft.com. I'm Mark. This is where adventure begins.